Hello and welcome back to GBPJPY Trading. It's been a short while we've done an analysis. Been pretty busy, but let's go look at our 4 current trades before we look at all the other things and update everything. So currently, the pound yen, it's gotten in a very deep pullback. Now, my indications actually told me to exit, and I missed that in 2 days. So we're in a bad spot here. So what do we do from this point on? Do we just sit and wait for it to get the stop loss, or anticipate a continuing the trend that we were anticipating? What is it? The super itchy cloud actually said that it's going in an uptrend, and today seems to be an uptrend as well. The only problem is the histogram is pointing in the other direction. So in this case, we make an analysis. I actually had a note on my books to tell me to exit this the next time it has a red bar, and it did. So if anything, I'm just hoping the trade goes into another direction. So I can sit in it and wait for it to hit the stop loss. I wouldn't be breaking my rules exactly. If anything, I'm just going to miss out on exiting early to save myself profit. And in this game, we always think about saving profit, but we're still new. So let's just see what happens while it's going to hit the stop loss. For some reason, it didn't hit the stop loss this day. Something happened in the system, but nah, it was always there. So we'll leave it as that. So the note here is to, so the pound yen is just going to be waiting for stop loss hit, which sounds pretty bad, but it's an exercise we have to do. We have to stick to our take profits and stop loss, because that's the plan. I'm not good at exiting or entering while it's in mid trade, so I'm not going to do that. So let's move on to the next one. AUDUSD. Now this one we were expecting a downtrend. It did pull back a bit, and now it's continuing its downtrend. The only thing that's opposite again is the histogram. So this ASH histogram is just really indicating something else when it comes to all of this. So I mean, the price action, we can see clearly here that it's going in a downtrend, but with this one, this is more of a it's consolidating in this area. So we're safe to either way. Oh, what happened to the stop loss? What's wrong with TradingView lately? It always erased all my stop losses. No, that's got it. That's got it. It's just this one. Okay. So if we go back to my trading journal, which I have on another page here, my stop loss for AUDUSD was 97 and 150 for take profit. So 97 and 150. So we fixed that. 1.5 ratio as always. So we're safe here. So that's okay. So just got a quick note. AUDUSD. So the cloud, yellow line, and ash. So cloud for JP, let me write the notes down again. JPY, the cloud indicating yes, it's under the yellow line, so that's bad, and the ash is pointing in the bad direction too. So those are 2 indications which says that we should definitely exit. So maybe we exit at end of day then, at 4 AM tonight, which is the closing time in Perth. So AUDUSD and indicators. So the red cloud is still there, still hovering above. So the cloud is correct. It's under the yellow line, which is good. So it's only the ash. So it's only got one indicating the exit strategy. So we're okay. We're okay. Great British Pound. There's no hint of a red cloud. If there was, we would have exit too. So maybe that's the rule. I don't have an exit plan yet, besides my stop loss. So maybe wait for all 3 signals to exit out. This one. So the euro, shift, Swiss, the cloud still in a downtrend, which is good. We're in a short anyway. Under the price line, under the yellow price line, and the histogram is still showing red. So we're all good on all 3 fronts. We're staying in this trade, even though it's gone up today. We'll stay in this trade. If anything, we'll probably put a break even anytime soon, but we're only 14 pips ahead, so it's not too bad. And lastly, the US CAD, US Swiss, we've actually broken the yellow line. histogram. So the cloud is mixed, so it's kind of like but it's the tick. It's crossed the yellow, and the histogram says that it's still red. So that's one indication that it's in the opposite direction. So also this one's also a one to stick in. We'll stay in this one. And just double checking my trading guide, trading journal. US CAD 334, 3223, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so those are the current trades we're in. Now let's move over to my live account. Like, oops. So yeah, $24 minus. Bit of a pain, but eh. So demo and live at the same time. Now let's go and see if there's any potential. So Euro CAD, we were expecting 2 signals. So the price was moving. So there was a red cloud, obviously, that always goes first, and then yellow line. In this case, there's a red cloud, but there's no one in the price, and histogram's fine, so we move it back to 101 signal potential. Brown pound, so this one's red. It crossed the yellow line, so now we're just waiting for the histogram. So this is definitely in the 2 signal zone. So this is on a watch list, we call it. So US. Okay, that's fine. So now it's a new watch list. I'm writing down notes here live. So Great British Pound. What do we say it was? NZ. So the cloud's got it right. Price got it right. Waiting for histogram. So Euro CAD. Did we just look at that? Yeah, that's fine. Euro AUD. You just looked at that. Okay. These are all one signals. NAS is also a one signal because that's a green cloud. So it should be up rising. So waiting for it to hit the price. Great gram as well. Euro New Zealand. Also with these ones, are they anywhere near? Yep, they're above the yellow line. So those are clear indications. This one here is a bit mixed because the cloud is under the yellow line, so that's a very messy one. There's no indications there really, so we're putting in a low potential area. If anything, it's in this area. And now everything else should be in trend, as we stated a couple of days ago. So let's check if they're all right. So this is still in trend. In a strong trend, so we don't trade trend continuation, not yet anyway. This one's hitting the price, but it's above the cloud, so that's a bit tricky. I've got 2 signals to enter, except the cloud. Bummer. What does it say in the 4 hour? See, that's a good indication to go in as well. Well. So, yeah, that's a very nice one. Keep an eye on that one. Again here, everything's hitting everything has a 2 signal, but the cloud's just in the wrong space. Because we're on the demo on the trading view, let's venture into one. Let's go into the Japan yen. Because why not, right? Let's do it. So going into a zero. So at least we have an idea of how we enter trades too. Okay. So we entered here. How do we set the stop loss? We use the parabolic line, which is there. 250, and we do a 1.5 on that. So what's that? 250 times 1.5, which gives us 375, which gives us a take profit 375. Done. Now we move over to our trading journal, into the date, which is the 19th of the 9, and we entered a trade on the Aussie yen. Nope. /9 we're trading the Aussie yen JPY and we're entered into a short with a take profit of 375/250, which gives us a price estimate of 39.07/3.22. No, 26.08. There you go. And modify. Let's go. Let's enter AUDJPY. Sorry I'm doing this during the video, but it's a practice that I have to get used to. Have to obey, so just bear with me for a moment. 375. It's all things that I'm writing down. So I'll do a handwritten version and an Excel version. Now I'm doing the handwritten version into my diary, and I'm saying the reason why we've entered. Cloud was correct, price was yet, but no cloud actually. No cloud. Cloud was green plus below yellow line. So. But also, VP said don't go with indicators that indicate things that indicate the future. That's what this cloud does. So really, this cloud shouldn't be into my system, but I've got it here as an early indicating bias. But I don't naturally use it and use it as a verification. It's something that maybe we say it's like a third confirmation, really. That's why I go with two signals here. So the two signals is, one is the yellow line price action and the other one is a histogram. Those are my two signals to go in. The cloud is just is a third indicator that I may not follow, but it's not as important as the other two. That's it. Okay. So for example here, I should have listened to it. The price hit the yellow line and then it went into a red. Those are two big signs that should have exited, but I didn't. I held on and I lost heaps. But who could predict this big bar anyway? Who could predict that? That's just crazy. That's a crazy bar. So that knocked me out $100 this week. Very painful. Oh yeah, go a sec. So that one moves down to the shorts. Let's see if there's anything else. So uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. So this is indicating the same thing as well. See? Really, we should enter into all these ones because that's where the system is indicating. So just quickly now, you know what to do. Parabolic 279. 279 times 1.5 equals 418. 418. Quickly go moving on to my 19/9 CAD JPY. And we're entering to a short. 418. Take profit. Pips. 279 stop loss. And the money amount is $43.55 and $29.13 at a 0.01 lot. 0.01 done. Okay. CAD JPY. So this is entered and demo entered. Boom. Any more? So here, price cross there. Would have been a good one too, but no. Is it new dead channel? Okay, so that is an indicator though. That is an indicator to go down though. This is crazy, hey? But we'll just go through all of them. Let's go. Let's go. Rejected? What's that? Why is that? Ah, I'm out of free margins. Ha! There's a reason for limit then. So this is creating a downtrend, 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 downtrend. Oh, what's that? No. So, as we see here, it's a good thing to point out. The price did hit price action here, and it's a uptrend histogram as well. But it bounced. It went back down to downtrend, and that's indicated by the yellow, the red cloud. So maybe there is some validation to the yellow cloud, or the cloud actually, because if I ignore the cloud, I've got two signals right here to enter in the trade. Well, actually, it didn't close over the line, so that's not really a indication. This one here, however, it did. If you zoom in really, it did kind of close on that. I mean, that's pretty much a close above. So that would have been an enter too. Damn, this is so hard. I guess you can't win all of them. Oh well, we're still learning process. And that's all the trades we have for today. Catch you on the next video. Bye.